Abby Hauser.
I want to also mention, if your life doesn't take you downtown DC all the time, there is another location. There's a Bethesda location, but as tempting as it is, you can't just pop in anytime you want to take a nap. There is a schedule to adhere to.
Right, so our complete schedule is online. Everyone books online and signs up, and when you arrive, you just check in on the iPad and walk right in. We're a shoeless studio, so we leave your shoes outside and come on in and get comfortable. The great thing is that you can take this into the workplace, and it's been a big benefit for people in the offices, increasing productivity and occupant health through well programs, and so I think everyone should really, take this with them.
All right, so be honest. Do you like snuggle up here and take a nap once a day?
Once in a while.
Once in a while. You're so busy, right? All right, guys. So as you can tell, I mean, the naps here are about 25 minutes, right? From start to finish, the whole process.
Yes, and the classes are 35, so they're extremely accessible during the workday and even into the early evening.
And that's perfect because the recommended napping time is between 20 and 30 minutes. So there you have it. Thank you so much. What a cool experience. And it's so good to know that there's such a chill place right here, just a couple blocks down from the White House.